Greetings to all listening. I am Aksha from Anand Talks and I'll be representing a small talk and acknowledging one's jealousy. First of all, what is jealousy? And I'm not talking about Olivia Rodrigo here. Jealousy is feeling or showing an envious resentment of someone or their achievements, possessions, or perceived advantages. Jealousy is one such emotion that instills from a place of insecurity, fear, wants, or desires, which makes it absolutely crucial to accept one's jealousy, locate its root cause, and find a solution for it, to make peace with it. Jealousy is like a face to face experience with what we feel like we are lacking, whether it is something materialistic or personally based. It is the way our insecurities come to surface, making us feel vulnerable and attacked. Attacked by the presence of someone or something that we place above us. It attacks a person's confidence with a sense of inferiority that diminishes their self worth in their eyes. It could also at times make us eat away at ourselves by making us feel guilty about experiencing the emotion in the first place, because it makes us question our gratefulness about the privileges that we have either been gifted with or have earned. Consider this. You have been training for a competition. Think about anything you like: dance, music, poetry, sports, make it personal. Since quite a long time, and you won. You won the second position, but you're overwhelmed because, on one hand, you trained and you won, but on the other, it's not the first position. And you look at your successor with envy in your eyes, hating how they took away something that you wanted for yourself, but at the same time, you wonder, you question yourself: should I not be happy? Should I not be happy that I won the second position? That is what jealousy does to an individual. It makes them question their self worth in their eyes. Now, I have been talking about jealousy and its effects, but I won't leave your listeners without a solution. Besides, the topic of my talk is acknowledging jealousy, not merely knowing what it is. The solution to jealousy is its acceptance. It is okay to feel jealous, and it is okay to want nice things for oneself. It is human nature, and everyone goes through it. The whole world is jealous, and what it needs to do about it is to make sure that jealousy does not take its toll on them. And they can do so by letting themselves know that yes, this is what I am jealous about, this is what I wish for, and this is what I desire, and this is what I will try to achieve. Acknowledge your jealousy, because that is the only way you can stop feeling bad about your lackings, about your insecurities. Because by knowing you have them, by making that your strength, if anyone ever points your insecurities or your jealousy out, you can simply say, "Mujhe bhi pata hai, it does not bother me." Use this acknowledgement as a way to improve yourselves, to achieve what you are jealous about and finally have it. Use it as motivation. Take the example I gave earlier. Instead of being jealous of the person who won the first position and hating them, even though उसने कुछ भी नहीं किया, just like you, they tried their best to win and they succeeded. Instead of being jealous of them, acknowledge that you are jealous of them and that you wanted the first position. That second is not enough for you, so that the next time you can try harder and get it. Use it as fuel for success, not as fuel for hating the person that got what you wanted. In conclusion, jealousy is a powerful emotion and ruinous one, which is why what we need to do is acknowledge it to make sure that it has no control over us, so that it does not take its toll on us. Thank you.